Empathy is the human ability to tune into the inner world of another, to comprehend their thoughts, emotions, and perspectives without necessarily experiencing them firsthand. It forms a fundamental basis for interpersonal understanding, social connectedness, and ethical coexistence. Empathy allows us not only to see what another person is going through, but also to gain a sense of how they are experiencing it. It is not a singular ability, but a complex phenomenon that appears in different forms. First, there is emotional empathy, a spontaneous, often physical or emotional resonance with another person's experience. When someone cries, we may feel sadness ourselves. When someone is in pain, we might sense a heaviness in our own body. This form of empathy is partly grounded in what are known as mirror neurons in the brain, which allow us to not only recognize, but internally reflect the emotions of others. Then there is cognitive empathy, which is not about feeling with someone, but thinking with them. It is the conscious ability to understand another person's thoughts, intentions, and feelings. This form of empathy allows us to adopt the perspective of others, even without emotionally engaging with their experience. It plays a vital role in pedagogical, therapeutic, and communicative contexts, where nuanced and reflective understanding of the other is essential. A third, often overlooked form is compassionate empathy. This combines emotional resonance with a moral impulse, the desire to help, to act, to alleviate the suffering of another. It underlies compassion, care, and solidarity, and plays a crucial role in caregiving professions, in social work, and in humanitarian efforts. Empathy is not static. It can be cultivated through upbringing, experience, reflection, and conscious encounter. But it can also be disrupted or inhibited, whether by personal trauma, cultural conditioning, or specific neurological conditions, such as those found on the autism spectrum. In certain contexts, especially within power dynamics or manipulation, empathy can even be strategically used or misused, raising complex ethical concerns. Philosophy, psychology, neuroscience, and the social sciences have all explored empathy in their own ways, as an anthropological constant, a social skill, a neurobiological function, or a moral principle. Its relevance seems greater than ever in a world that is increasingly polarized and anonymized. For where empathy is lacking, understanding diminishes, and the human itself risks losing its way.